Our planet, Earth. A fun lesson for kids. Hello, young explorers. Have you ever wondered about the big, beautiful planet we live on? Let's learn some amazing facts about Earth, our home in space. What is Earth? Earth is the third planet from the Sun. It is round like a giant ball and covered with land, water, and air. It is the only planet where humans, animals, and plants can live. What is a continent? A continent is a large piece of land. Earth has 7 continents, and each has different countries, people, and animals. Continents of Earth. Let's learn their names. Africa, Antarctica, Asia, Europe, North America, South America, Australia. What is an ocean? An ocean is a huge body of salty water that covers most of our planet. There are 5 oceans, and they are home to many sea animals. Let's learn their names. Arctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, Pacific Ocean. Why is Earth special? Air to breathe. Earth has fresh air that helps us live. Water everywhere. Most of our planet is covered in oceans, rivers, and lakes. Land to live on. We have mountains, forests, deserts, and grasslands. Sunlight weather. Earth gets light and heat from the sun, giving us day and night. Fun facts about Earth. Earth is about 4.5 billion years old. It takes 365 days for Earth to go around the Sun. The highest mountain is Mount Everest in Asia. The deepest ocean is the Pacific Ocean. Earth is a wonderful place full of life, nature, and adventure. Let's take care of our planet by keeping it clean and green.